How to test HLS link in VLC. Hi everyone, I'm Gil Herme from JMV Technology. Today I'll show you how to test your HLS link, also known as M3U8 in VLC. The HLS link is your video source. It doesn't load a player as it's typically used for insertion into user-chosen players. These links are commonly used in apps. Remember, our channel also has a tutorial on checking your IP camera's RTSP link in VLC. We'll put the link in the description and card above. To do this, let's open VLC. Now select the media option in the top left corner. Then choose the Open Network Stream option. Here, paste the HLS link of your video, either from a live stream or on-demand video. Click play and the video will start playing. To check video settings, go to Tools, then Codec Information. Here we can see the video codec, resolution, frame rate, and audio details. In the tab next to codec, let's select Statistics. Here we can see the content's bitrate variation, which is crucial for video quality. This is the info you can monitor about your HLS link. To explore our streaming plans with HLS or M308 links, just scan our QR code. For more on live streaming, check our platform link in the description for free courses. If you enjoyed, like, subscribe, and follow us on social media.